So once you have done, then let me know. This is done, huh?
Yes.
So that's fine. So you can take 5 minutes break, no problem. Take your tea, coffee, whatever you want. Bring your water here, bring your coffee here, no problem. So you can, if you want to go to toilet, you can go. You have a 5 minutes, then we will start.
This one is the time to use?
Sorry,
This one for
I will take it, no problem.
This is okay. I think. This is the key.
Just write your page and pen.
additional?
No, only the accommodation. Only the accommodation.
No.
No, right?
This one also no.
Yeah.
Anta? Is it? HPC. HPC mana? Ada Vietnamese course in that? Special course. You have H2S, why you like H2S? H2S. H2S. What, how many you have?
Fighting this one, I training before in the Philippines, the Philippines, but fighting in this first and
H2S. Plus smart. Okay, then Esharatan.
Okay, guys, we can start now.
Yes.
If you want tea, you can go and take it, guys. Then we will start, no problem. We can wait for you.
Yeah, no water.
There is a water there. So you can use cups, no problem. So you have a great opportunity to become an instructor. You have a great opportunity to become an instructor, to become a trainer. That's good that your company is choosing you guys to be a trainer. Because mostly companies, they are not choosing, they are just hiring the instructor. So this will give you a benefit for your lifetime.
This after we finish this, we will get also certification.
Yes, that will be IADC certification from, it's basically, it's International Drilling Association contracting. So they will give you a certification for instructor, for trainer. That you will be certified and you can verify in the website also. Your name will be coming as an instructor or as a trainer. And this course only Tamkeen is providing. Non-other training center, they don't have this type of course, train the trainer only. But rest of them, they have different subjects. They have coaches for different training centers, but not this one, train the trainer, only for one journey. So let him come, then we will start the course. We will discuss the contents, the objective, and then we will do one by one, we will do introduction again. Or one guy will come again and we will introduce the way of the one which you did before and the way now you will do will be a different. You will always find a fix. Always you will improve yourself one by one step. On a point means whenever you will take a training in your sessions, whenever you will take a sessions, you will improve yourself daily basis.
Yes.
Yes, it will give you the experience. Oh, today I have a mistake here. So today I was having a mistake here. Oh, this word I don't have to use it. So then you will remember each and every points. So you have to note it down. Whenever you have done mistake, note it down, because you have to improve yourself to become a perfect instructor. Anyone can be an instructor.
Yes.
Anyone can be an instructor. Anyone can be a teacher. He can teach. But the thing is he perfect instructor or is he a general instructor? So we have a topics we will discuss one by one, but waiting for him, so then we can start. So for the break time, I will give you the break time. Next break will be for you guys. It will be almost. So now it's 9:25. So it will be 11:20. It will be 11:30. So that will be 11:30 or 11:40. Depends on the progress. Okay. So then I will give you break for 1 hour. That will be your lunch and your prayer break. Okay. So you can enjoy your meal. Most we do here. Basically, we have a we pray, so you can pray no problem. So let's start, guys. Okay.
Yes.
Learning objectives. Let's see learning objectives. What we have objectives here. Describe the training process. We have a description of the training process. How a training, how to be introduced yourself, how we can further go ahead. So means the first step of the training. The way you enter, the way you exit. So from the entrance till the exit. That is your style, that is your way. So you have to be a perfect way. Okay, describe the characteristics of an effective facilitator. That is very important. Facilitator is what? Who entertains? Facilitating is what? Yes, what is facilitating? No problem, I will describe you, but I just want to know first from you guys. So what is facilitating? Okay, facilities. What is facilities? Facilities.
The surroundings are same like this all there.
Okay, I will give you one example. Facility is companies giving you books, notebooks. Companies giving you tea. Companies giving you washroom facility. Companies giving you AC facility, ventilation facility.
Yes.
So that is basically a facility. A facilitator is a different thing. Who facilitates you? I am the facilitator. I am the facilitator. Means I will give you entertainment. How? Means you will enjoy. You will not sleepy. You will not get bored. You will enjoy. That is a facilitator.
How you entertain them.
How you entertain them. Yes. How you entertain them. You're right. So that is basically. And then after that we will talk about analyze learning and teaching styles. That what is analyze? How we can analyze the people. And what is the teaching style? How you will
Teaching.
as a teacher, how you have to be teaching style, what things you have to adopt in teaching styles. That is very important for us. As a teacher, means look, as a teacher, anyone can read, anyone can teach you, right? As I told you.
Yes, sir.
But there is a difference between
Difference.
teaching styles.
Yes, yes, yes.
So then we will talk about describe assessment techniques. There is assessments we have. So we will tell you that how you will describe the assessments. We have a different assessments. I will let you know later on that what are the assessments we have. Okay, so you have to also understand. For example, you guys are all you belongs from off-road or on-road, right?
Yes.
Offshore, onshore field, which is desert.
Yes, sir.
Okay, desert area. So you guys are mostly from trucks.
Trans.
You are the mid levels, right? Mid level, right?
Yes, sir.
Not the senior or not the junior. Your guys are in the mid level.
Yes.
So you have to make sure that in those things, for example, truck, once you inspect the truck,
Trans.
so what do? You have an inspection sheet, right?
Yes, sir.
That is assessment. This is.
Assessment.
If you give another guy that you have to do this, you have to do this, what you are doing? You are describing the assessments. You are teaching him, yes, you have to check, you have to tick or check, you have to do in that columns once you check.
Yes.
If it's overloaded, you will know if it's overloaded. The tire pressure will be decreased. So that's how you do, right?
Yes.
Right? So you have a checklist. So that is a assessment techniques. I will let you know how you will deliver the assessment techniques. How you will know that how we can check assessment techniques. How we can introduce assessments. Okay, demonstrate how to prepare for a training. Yes, you have to demonstrate. First, I'm the facilitator. I will demonstrate every time for you. So don't worry. But then I will give you chance. Come. Because confidence is very important.
Yes.
I want to develop a confidence. If you guys are having a confidence, means you can do your job. You will be a best. As I told you, I don't want to make you instructor. I want you to be make a perfect instructor. So there is a difference, right? Instructor or perfect instructor. So then, discuss effective teaching strategies. Yes, I will let you know what are the strategies I adopt myself. Then we will see the books, the presentation we will check that what are the strategies they are telling us. Okay, so I will give you my experience. I will put my experience in front of you. That's my experience, and that's how I'm teaching people. I have to focus everyone, not the only one.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have to focus everyone, not only one. Okay. Then understand classroom management. The classroom management is very important. The discipline is very important. Respect is very important. So that's, I will let you know how you will understand the management classroom, how you will manage the classroom. You got my mind?
Yes.
Because that is one of the most important. If you cannot manage the classroom, it means finished. Your classroom is dead. Means you cannot teach. Not possible. Then delivering a training session successfully. How you will deliver a training session successfully. What are the key points that we have to do or we have to adopt those things when we want to do the training session? Got my mind clear?
Yes. Yes.
This is your class.
Yes.
Okay, be a boss. Ask any question because I want you to be perfect. If you will not ask, means that level will be still there. So you need to ask, think, create. Once you create yourself, once you think about the question, that how I can ask the question. What are the questions which I have to ask? What are the relative questions I have to ask? Think, write it, then ask them.
I have
Sure.
a good question sir, for you. This all the objective is to make us a better person, isn't it?
Yes,
Then do we have also we must create our own style in all the delivering our speech, and then
it will be involved in this, by the way. But I will let you know what are the teaching way you have to adopt yourself. Look, everyone have a different way to teach. Everyone have a different style.
yes, sir.
Okay. So once I focus you. Once you are giving me introduction about you, I got you. Everyone, that you have a different way, you have a different style. So I will make sure you will use your own style. Don't copy anyone. Be yourself.
Be original, sir.
Be original. Look, be original. Yes,
Yes, sir.
quality. It's be original. Be yourself, not be a copy.
Yeah.
Got a mind?
Yes, sir.
How you will be original, that I will do it. That I will create for you. I will make it for you. You know, this is pencil, right?
Yes, sir.
Pencil can work till end,
Yeah.
but we need sharpener to sharp, right?
Yeah.
For what? For quality.
Yeah.
So we can write a quality, good writing, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's right now you are in that condition right now. So you need a sharpener to sharp you. So I'm the sharpener who will sharp you.
Because we are not already.
Yes, don't worry about it. Be relaxed, calm. This is your 3 days. Enjoy. Because enjoyment is very important for you. Once you enjoy your training, you know what is your subject, how you will teach it. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So you understand all the topics what we have for objectives.
Yes, sir.
Clear for you guys?
Yeah.
So training process is the most important. Let's see. Okay, define training. Training bridge the gap between the existing and further skills, knowledge, attitude and habits. Yes. What is this, guys? Skills, knowledge, attitude. Then here we have existing. Look. We have existing and we have required. What is this?
Yes, sir.
Existing required.
Yes, what is this?
Because of the skill and knowledge is different from sometimes just like what you explained before.
Okay.
Just the different from the book and then the in actual procedures of the job.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you can say. You can say.
Should be there to work.
Okay. Yes, what about you?
Yes, sir. Skill, knowledge, and attitude. Because
Both they have a same, right?
Same.
Yes.
Same portion. Existing means before.
Before,
They have.
Yes, before.
And now required. What they required.
Required, yes. So, existing before, skill, knowledge, before, in the first, when I am joined in this class, actually I no have knowledge. So, I'm a little by I'm trying to be knowledge, little understand how to operate for training class, how to protect the whole class students.
Okay, how to entertain them. Yes. Okay, good. You have a good point. So basically, this is you guys,
Yeah.
and this is me. This is me.
Yeah.
So what I will do is, I will add the knowledge one.
Yeah.
I will fill the gap.
Yeah.
How I will fill the gap?
Yeah.
If I fill the gap, it will all transfer to you.
Yeah.
It will be one, right?
Yeah.
One side.
One side, yes.
You got my point?
Yeah.
So existing is what you have before.
Before, yeah.
Now I check your levels. You are in the mid level. So now what I will do, I will go with the same mid-level. I will start from you mid-level. You got my point?
Yes.
To the senior level.
Yeah.
So that is me who will
Put
who will fill the gap.
Yeah. So
you
you
will
are
say like teaching us.
Yes.
Yes, because you are a teacher, so you are in the give to us from knowledge, from teaching. So after I have a knowledge, I have a level fill up. So after you put it this one.
Yes. This now the key point, the most important key point. Key point is once you are here.
Yeah.
So you need to make sure the level of the students where they stand,
Distance, yeah.
where they are existing.
Distance.
So now think, you are here, your knowledge, still skills, attitude, knowledge, experience,
Yeah.
that is yours.
Yeah.
So you have to fill the students' requirement.
Requirements, yeah.
Means, for example, if your subject is loading, unloading, for example, okay, you know the level of the students is so low. Means a junior level, right?
Yes.
So the junior level you have to teach in junior level one. You have to become a junior one
Same
to
like
teach them.
Yes.
You have to start from them. If you talk about, for example, if they speak only their language and you are giving the lecture in your language,
I didn't understand.
they will never understand.
You understand, yeah.
Okay? But if you know the language and you know how you can teach them in their language, then you can be in their level to pick them up. Clear?
Yes.
Got it? So you have to make sure always once you are in the classroom, once you are doing the session, you have to make sure that what is their level, how they will introduce themselves. Once they introduce themselves, you will know very well that what is their level. There is a way of introduction we will talk about, but later we have steps. Okay, we have steps. We will go one by one. I don't want you to jump. If you jump, it will be headache for you. I have the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I cannot put you from 1 to directly 3 and put you all blame on you. Oh, this is you. Do. No, not possible. Not possible.
One by one.
Yes. So training helps to build the gaps. Basically, training is the instructor who give a training.
Yeah.
They will build a gaps. They will fill the gap. Now here, the most important point, guys. Why training is important? Why training is important? Yes, why it is important? Can you tell me, guys, one by one? From you first.
Training is important. Training is important, sir.
No, have a seat.
Okay.
No problem. Don't worry.
Start.
It's okay. You start.
Training is one, sir. Like example, sorry, for my
It's okay.
for my opinion.
Yes, sure.
I think longer.
No, it's okay.
Same like when I am born in from my mother.
Yeah, okay.
I'm small. Little my mother, father gave to me looking, look after I come in grow.
Okay.
After 2 years, after like 1 year and 5 months, like I told my mother will speak, okay, you speak papa, mama, like I do.
Okay.
Okay. Then
Good.
I little grow up.
Great.
Okay, it's like he can hold me, he teach to me how to I'm walking, how to I'm sitting. So plus after I'm coming like 3 years, he can give to me some learning. Papa, you hold this, you do it this like that regularly. Train my father.
Good.
Yes, 5 years old, I come in little my knowledge good, so they can put the school.
So you increase your knowledge.
Knowledge, yes, situation little by little.
Yeah, step by step.
Step by step.
Step by step. Okay.
Step by step.
So your mother and father your parents
Yeah.
give you training
Then, yeah.
that how you will grow up.
Grow up. Also, how to respect to the other.
Yes.
If you're big
Okay.
people, yeah.
So that is also a training, by the way.
Yeah.
Yes, you are right. Absolutely. Great example.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Also,
Thank you.
and next step, like I'm the school finish after I need to some train. Maybe my father mother. Okay, you will learn this what for electrical, or you will understand make to train for driver. So
Okay.
one by one, so
Got you.
becoming.
Got you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Appreciate you, man. Yes.
The trainer very important for like example how can you work, how can you like example if you buy the vehicle,
Okay.
okay, if you don't know how can you will start, how can you will open, how can you that, you can't drive it, you can't buy it.
Okay.
Then very important to complete your life.
Okay.
That's it. That's
No
it.
problem. No problem. Yes.
Yes, sir. Training is very important not for us or any other people, sir.
Good.
Because training, because if you are trained, meaning to say, sir, you need to learn. Learn and to improve your personality.
Good.
Yeah, to develop what is necessary in your work.
Good.
So after you train, you will learn what is the necessary, what is the necessity in your work. Just for example, but you have to also how you need also to know how to communicate to be a better person, sir.
Good. So if I will say training is one of job requirement, so is it right?
Training is
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right.
So it means it's only job requirement. That's why we do training.
No.
Now you said yes. You said yes, right?
Yes.
So it means if I say training is one of our job requirement, and as you said yes, yeah, you are right, one of our job requirement. So it means that we only do trainings because we want. It's because of our job requirement is our job requirement is only to get training. Once you get training, then you come to the job.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
This is right. So it means we will only do because of our work, because of our job.
Because if we cannot do, if you are not, if it is not a job requirement, our company will not send us here, sir.
Yes, you are right. Absolutely, you are right. But here I want to give you some best way. So I want to tell you something more important here. What is the most important thing here? Now, okay guys, let's continue. Sorry. So training is one of our job requirement. Yes, you are right. Absolutely, training is one of our job requirement. But there is one more thing which I want to add here. It's not only our job requirement, basically. It's not only our job requirement. It's to protect. It's to protect you and your family. It's to protect you and your family. It's not our job requirement. Yeah, one of our job requirement. It's not only. You got a point?
Yes, sir.
It's not only one of our job requirement, you can say. But actually, training means giving you awareness how to protect yourself and your family. What is your family? Yeah, this is the point. Your family is, look, a man, he, from all of his life, more than half of his life, he spent in his job, his work.
Yes.
Half of his life is in his work. That is their family actually. That is their family. So we protect us and we protect them. How? Once we get awareness, once we get training. For example, you guys are so you do heavy drive truck trainings you are giving them. So you know what are the hazards, what are the risks if they got some risk, if they have a huge risk, what will be impact, what will be disimpact, what will be the worst. You know, right?
Yes, sir.
Means what is the hazard.
Yeah.
So you have to make sure that you have to always think about once you are giving them some information, a valid information you have to. So training is basically to give you awareness of the risk and to give you, to protect you and your family. So now, most important thing, once you are teaching your students, once you are giving them lesson, make sure staff, once you introduce the whole, introduce yourself, introduce them, then the contents and the objective, then what you have to teach them, the most important point. This is what I'm doing actually. So I want you to do the same thing. So you guys, that will basically, it will impact basically. That will be an impact for them. Means it, you need to touch their heart.
Yeah.
If you want to teach something, you need to touch their heart. If you cannot teach something without touching their heart, it means you didn't teach them. You just give them. So always teach. Why we call always lesson? Give us a reason.
Yes, of course. Example.
Lesson is always give us reason. That what was our mistakes there. So they will not repeat it. So here you have to touch them, you have to give them lesson, not only teach them. So what you have to teach them? Yes. For example, this is me. I have a family. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my part of the family. And this is my side where I work. I am working in scaffolding without getting a training, without PPE. One day, what happened? I slipped or tripped or fell down and my leg fractured. Once I got fracture in my leg, I am unable to do work anymore. So think about them. Who will feed them? But if I use PPE, do you think I can protect myself? If I have training, do you think I can protect myself? Yes, of course, definitely. They will give you reply. They will give you reply. Yes, yes sir, why not? Because training is important for us. You got it?
Yes, sir.
So then, if I have training, I will come daily basis. Then I will go back, come back, go back, home, work, like this. But if I don't have training, if I don't have PP, proper PP, because no awareness, how I will have a PP if I don't have awareness? You got it?
Yes.
So once we got awareness, once we got training, then we can protect our life, we can protect ourselves, you and your family. So now this you, it's you guys.
Yes.
This me, it's me. You got it?
Yes.
So you have to touch their heart. Once you touch their heart, it means you give them lesson. You give them now your whatever you will teach now. They will listen. They will know what you are teaching them. If I have some fracture in my leg or arm, do you think I can work? So think about who will care for my family. Do you care?
No.
You have your family, right? You have your family. You have your family. So then who will take care of my family? Shall I get a backup?
Just
Not possible. So what to do? Okay, then they will reply you. Sir, we can give them awareness. We can give them training. We can give them TBT, toolbox talk. So then they will aware, yes, this. Got it, guys?
yes.
Okay. If you want to write, you can write it for yourself, because I want you to be perfect. You can ask me, no problem. Caring.
Caring.
Yes.
Yes. Sympathy. Sympathy. This one, last one.
Empathy.
Yeah.
It's the ability to understand or share the feelings. What I did now. This is the feelings. To realize them, to realize the other people, responsibility, to take their responsibility.
This quality, first one, sir, quality
Quality skills.
skills.
Yes, then original. Be original yourself. Be yourself, not be copied.
Original.
Yes, original. Sincere for your work. You have to be sincere because you have very crucial thing. You have to teach. You have to be make sure that what you are teaching you have to be crucial. You have to be sincere of your work.
Yes, sincere.
By your way.
Yeah.
If you cannot be sincere, then you cannot teach. Not possible.
And sincere in
Then caring about others.
Others, other people, not only for
Yes, not for only you or for him.
Yeah.
For everyone, take care of others.
yeah.
Respect them. Give them time.
Caring.
Give them time to write. Because look, everyone have different way of reading, way of writing in the notes. Some of them are quick, some of them are little bit lazy, some of them do like this. So depends on the people, because everyone, for example,
This require or you
which one?
training is
Training is one of job requirement.
Job people.
required.
Yes.
You
and your family.
Yourself and
Yourself and your family. Yes.
Done?
Yes.
Okay, let's go ahead. Check stages of training process. The most important point: identify the needs. Identify the needs. What you require, what they have, what they want from you. For example, I will give you live example. Now, you want be an instructor. You want be a trainer. So, your requirement is approaching for the trainer. So that is a requirement. So every company they have a different requirements. For example, now you are in the same positions, same you can say same field, but some of them, most of the trainings you will find whenever you will go for the courses, sessions, you will find different courses. For example, you are working with oil and gas companies. Okay, so you have work at height, right? You have work with confined space, right? You, which is mud tanks.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have work with
S2S.
S2S, yes. Then you have loading and unloading is different.
Yes.
Then trucks is different. On road or off road is different. So look, they have different subjects. You have 6 or 5 subjects. More than that, this is just I'm giving you the example. So if you talk about, for example, S2S. Now S2S, it could be a person who is mechanical, it could be engineer, it could be supervisor, it could be flagman, it could be the lowest category, the lowest level, helper, it could be high management, top management. So that is basically thing. You need to check their level. What is their requirement? For example, confined space. A helper will go, or those who are working labor. Always labor are going inside, right, in the confined space. Have you seen supervisor is going or manager?
No.
Not possible, right? So confined space, his requirement is confined space, but rest of them, no confined space. He's engineer, he's manager, he's a supervisor. He stay outside. Once he need for rescue, then he will call the team for rescue. So that is a need. Basically, you need to check what is their requirements, what is the need of them. Then define the objective as per their requirements. You have the specific objective. For example, as I discussed before, you have the specific objective. You will not go here, you will not go here. You will define your objective. Once you define the objective, match them with their work. It should be relevant, not irrelevant. Clear? Plan and design. The most important is plan and design. If you have a plan for training, proper train, if you are an instructor, if you have a plan that today what you will teach, how you will teach, what will be the students, candidates, how you will serve them, how you will entertain them. So that's what you have to look, that's what you have to see. You have to plan, you have to think. Always be ready for the high management. Means always be ready for the knowledge. Increase your knowledge. Don't depend only specific knowledge. Let me give you my example, what I do. If I have a course, if I have any course, I have presentation. I develop my presentation also. I develop my presentation as well. For companies, for training centers. So what I do mostly, I have knowledge, but not that much. Because it cannot store in my head. Not possible. Yes, sure. What I do, I always wrote in the notes. This is my plan. That's how I will teach you. This is my whole plan. This is my whole plan. How I will teach you. This is the way I'll teach you.
You put it the start.
Sorry?
You put it the start.
Yes, you put in document it. Okay, you plan it and you will work with your plan. You will never go here or you will never go there. You will find a lot of students where you have to change your plan sometime. Always be ready for that. For example, this is for top management. Now, I have low category. Not possible. If I will talk about those things, how I will teach them. That's now you need to create your plan. But you have to be ready for that. Your knowledge is important once you deliver. If you have standards, then you can be perfect. Means you are giving something, some knowledge to him, but you don't have a standard because you don't remember. Yes, I agree with you 100%. There are more you can say 99 or 80% instructor, they are not aware of standards because they forget. Even me, we are human beings.
Yes.
We can forget. It's not a big deal. So what I do mostly, I wrote it every time with me, myself, to make sure that I have a documented. That if I forget, I have written here. So once I will just read a words, I will know the standards because I know that quality. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
So that is basically that is a plan actually. You don't want to read each and everything. You just have to look that what you have to teach them. Once you see, oh, this is now, okay. You will go, you will remind yourself, you will remember everything. So that's a planning you have to do. And design is very important. The way you present the training, the way you do the training, the presentation, the way you present them, that is basically very important for you. How you train them, how you present yourself to be a perfect, how you will perfectly you will do it. So that is important for us. Implement the training. Now, their job, as we discussed, S2S gas you are talking about. So their job is confined space. Their job is engineering. Their job is mechanic. Their job is scaffolding. Their job is cleaner. So all is working in one environment, S2S. Now, for example, ask them a question. Check with them. Okay, what do you think? What is your opinion? If you stuck in confined space, you have H2S gas release. As we studied that H2S gas is it's a dangerous gas which can kill you within seconds or which can kill you within minutes. So what do you think? How you will save yourself? He will give you reply. If he reply you, it means he is in the training right now. For example, always take session 8 people, 10 people, not more than that. 8 to 10 is enough. Because if you increase more, it will pressurize you. The more crowd you increase, the more confident, the less confident you will be. By the way, in Jeddah, just we talk about increasing and decreasing the level of the students. In one session, I trained 1500 people on one seminar. There was no mic, by the way. My voice was so loud that they don't need mic even. They said, please, one student stand in the backside, and they said, sorry, you don't need mic. You have enough voice to say something, to speak, because I was actually loud. I have a loudspeaker, by the way, with myself. So you have enough speaking level for the students. Depends on the category, depends on the students. Depends on the students. Okay? For example, if you are 3 and I'm shouting, oh, it will be headache. It will be headache, yes.
Yeah, because we only
You are 3 guys only. But if we have 15 guys, then if I talk like this, it increases my voice. Look, everyone can hear me. Your tune should be different. Always.
depend on the student.
Sometimes you need to, like, for implement the training. Implement the training. It goes implement the training. So the tune should be always changed. If your tunes will change, they will focus. Hey, don't do this. Hey, what's up? Everything's fine? Yep. Hey, you look sleepy. Okay, just wake up, man. Go wash your face. Okay, have a break. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then evaluation. Evaluation is very important. Once you implement the training, once you did the training as per their requirement, okay, you implement it in their sites. How? You teach them the way they want. The way they want. For example, you have a procedure for that. Every company, they have a different procedure. Okay. We cannot say that they are using international standard. They use international standard, but they follow their own procedure. So if they follow their own procedure, it means they have to do their own way. So if you teach them with their procedure, that will be, sorry,
Let's follow.
not,
Follow.
no. If it's okay. If you teach them their procedure, they know what you are teaching them. But if you talk something like here or there, they will go around. So depends on their requirement. Depends on their requirements. Yes. Now evaluation. Once you did training, once you give them everything, now you evaluate them. What you will do? You will check them. How much they got it, how much they got before, and how much they got now. So you remember assessment? You remember assessment? I talked about assessment. Remember? So there is 2 types of assessment we have. First, pre. What? Pre. Yes. And then post. Pre and post. Pre is for initial, first time. To check the level of the students. Then post is the final. you will get the result that they pass. Because you teach them something. For example, if they got here 12 out of 30, but here they got 27 out of 30. So there is a huge difference, right?
Yes, sir.
It means they got something from you. Before they don't have. Maybe possible the manager he knows it. He got 30 of 30 before and after also. Possible? Because every student they have a different capacity, different caliber.
Yes.
So you need to think, you need to check them, you need to observe them. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Easy to understand? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
That's good, that's good. Okay. So
Very like that. What's meaning from that? Not same present. Past participle, not for present. The post is so faster like that.
pre is now, beginning.
Maybe start.
Post once the third day it will come for you. That will be post. Okay? So pre is now.
Yeah.
Clear?
Because now we are not just starting.
Yes, you started. So I checked your pre and I got it. Oh,
After the
that's
third
okay.
day,
You will, because this is your beginning. So then after finishing everything, now it's your post, your actual. How you got it, how much you got it. There are some students you will find they love to hear. We will talk about this also later. There are some students they love to hear. There are some students they have to write because they will remember. There are some students who always watch. Depends on the students. Depends on them. If they have a good memory, they will. Okay. So I will rub this guys for a while because I want to make some more. This is done, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, we have strategies, stages of training process. The most important point, planning. Planning we talk about. But let's see, training needs in planning. They have three parts, three portion you can say. Training needs. What is the training need? What is the requirement of the training?
Yes.
Then employee trainings. For example, we need a training for scaffolding. Okay. Employee training, labor, see mid-level or high level. Then job needs. What is their job? What is their specific job? So what I am teaching now, you have to make sure what I am teaching now, is it related to your job or no? So you have to think like this. What I am teaching, what I am giving them lecture. So is it related to their job or no? If it's related to your job, you are in good planning. You did planning. This is planning, you will do it. What you will do in the planning. Look, this is a planning. You know the subject. You know the objective. You know their target points. You know their level. You know their job, specific job. So then analyze. How you will analyze this? How you analyze this? Task requiring training. Some of them they require training for the task. They have to complete this task, so they need training. They have to do this job, so they need training. Then job task performance standards. What are the standards you have to involve in that? Means their procedure. If the company, as I told you, every company they have a different procedure. They have different standards. Some of them they are using international standard. They don't create their standards. They use international standards. But some of them they create their own standards under bodies, organization. They use their own standards, but under organization. They cannot exceed standards. For example, I will give you one example here. For example, OSHA standard is 1926. That is basically for working at height. Okay, which they says that if you need to use full body harness, it should be 1.8
Or 6 meters.
or 6 meters. Not 6 meters, 6 feet.
6 feet. 6 feet. Yes.
1.8 meter is there and 6 feet.
Sorry. 6 feet.
Yes. So now, if you exceed 6 feet or if you exceed 1.8 meter, it means you exceed the standard. That is their standard, international standard. Every countries they are following the same standard. Now coming to Aramco. Aramco had one standard,
Yeah.
but not exceeding less than that. 1.5. 1.5. If it exceeds, that is a different thing. Then it means they are unaware of standards. So they are following the same standard, but under their standards. So that is 1.5, for example. They are using to protect. They reduce the risk. My point is they reduce the risk. So the standards you have to teach them. You have to tell the standards. What you talk, it should be standard. If you will talk something related to their job, you need to teach them with the standards. Because depends on the candidates, depends on what people around you. If it's labor, whether you teach them standard or no, it will go up. But you need to make sure that you will always talk what you have standards. Your company standards. We have loading and unloading now. Later, it will be after 3 days, it will be startup for the loading and unloading, right? So that will be your own standards will be, not international. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
So that your standards will be, you will teach them. So that will be standards. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So you are working under your standards, but under organization. So skills and knowledge required. Skills and knowledge required. Everyone, as I told you, everyone they have a different skills, they have a different knowledge. So you will find a lot of people there in your trainings. They have a good knowledge, maybe more than you. Possible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, possible.
Experience than us.
Yes, more experience than you. Sometimes we hesitate. Like this. We become shaking. Oh, they have good
When you
experience.
see meet these people.
Yes. So, but how you will entertain them, how you will enjoy,
How will
that I will let you know later on.
how to deliver the goods.
Now, for example, as I told you, we are human being. Don't think that who is standing here is not human being. He's also human being.
Yeah.
So those who are in front of you, they always look at you. They always look at you. Why? What you talk,
The way you talk also.
the way you talk, the way you deliver, the way you do your styles, everything they notice. Everything they notice. If you do mistake, one mistake, it's okay for them. They will ignore because they know they are ignorant. But if you do the same mistake, repeat it, it means you are not aware of it. You get my point?
Yes.
Some people they accept you, but some people they don't accept you. Some people they accept you, some people they don't accept you. So make sure about that, how you will make sure that they will accept you. That's how we will do it. Then employee qualification, the qualification of their employees. The most important. If they are engineers, management, top management, senior level, oops. So this is not possible, right?
Yes.
This is how we teach. Not possible, right? Because it will see, they will see you are confident. They will see what you are doing. They will, maybe they will give you bad feedback. Possible. Why? Because you are teaching them, but not entertaining them. So a good facilitator is a good entertainer. A guy who can deliver the course with their subject, with the perfection, but little bit entertainment. So let's see, entry level skills and knowledge. Yes, entry level, like junior, senior, like this. Then design, the most important. The way it looks, because everyone will look at you and this. Look at you and this. The projector, the presentation, you present them. If there is some lines is missing, a line nothing here, missing, it will be not good impact. You got my mind?
Yes, sir.
If this box is there, if this box is there, this box is there, it will be not good impact. So the design is very important here. Now design is, they have a different designs. What is design? Let's see. Training settings. Settings. What is settings? Like first your introduction will be, then your contents will be, then after contents you step 111 means you use your first content will be your first content. Second content will be second. Not like this, you put only contents and then they describe each and everything in one point.
Yeah, make for connection.
Yes, like a sequence, like a step by step.
Step by step.
You teach them by step by step.
To understand.
If you jump, you cannot teach them.
They will lose.
Yes, you will also lose, not they.
Yeah.
Even you will also lose. So that is very important. Training plans, yes, plan is very important. As I told you, we discussed, it will come more and more, it will come. Plan. If you are not ready for your training, you cannot deliver the course. Not possible. Not possible. So you have to always make sure you will be ready for your course. If you want